Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss Verizon Business Sport Business Fuels. Verizon Business offers robust support for its business fuel service catering to the unique needs to enterprises. With dedicated business support, customer can rely on promote assistance for any fuels related issue or inquiries. From ensuring seamless connectivity to addressing technical concern, Verizon Business the efficiency and reliability of its fuel service to empower business with high-speed internet, advanced communication solution, and dependable support for optimal performance. Certainly, if you need assistance with Verizon Business Fuels, you can contact Verizon Business Support through their customer service hotline or visit their online support portal. They can help you with various aspects of your business fuel service, such as troubleshooting issues, upgrading your plan, or addressing billing concern. Verizon Business Support for Business Fuels offer comprehensive assistance tailored to meet the unique need of business. Whatever you require, technical troubleshooting, plan upgrades, or help with billing inquiries, their dedicated customer service team is ready to provide promote and reliable support with a commitment to ensuring seamless communication and connectivity of your business. Verizon Business Support strive to address your concern efficiently, allowing you to focus on the core aspect of your operation. Reach out to them via their customer service hotline or utilize their online support portal for personalized assistance with your business fuel service. Verizon Business Support for Business Fuel stand as reliable resources for business seeking seamless connectivity and communication solution. Their dedicated team is required to handle a spectrum of need ranging from technical troubleshooting to plan customize and billing inquiries by offering promote and efficient support. Verizon aims to empower business to navigate the of their connectivity requirement whatever through their responsive hotline or use friendly online support portal. Business can access tailored assistance to optimize their experience with Verizon Business Fuel service. How do I contact Verizon Fuel's technical support? Mean of assistance, you can call 800-837-4966 and a Verizon agent will connect you with a tech support pro agent via a priority. The MyFuels and provides immediate contact with the tech support pro agent via phone. How do I fix my fuels? Troubleshooting. Unplug your router for 30 seconds, plug it back and try viewing again. If you have a network interface module NIM at your location, make sure it is plugged in all. If you have connection to it and ensure. Check your router to make sure all connections are correct and secure. How can I boost my Fuel's Wi-Fi signal? Consider adding a network extender to your home network. It will maximize the power of your wireless connection by boosting signal strength, elimination dead spot, and reducing glitches and lags in HD video and gaming experience. Check your current speed with a Verizon speed test. Get a Fuel's network extender. How do I suspend my Verizon phone? Once you are ready to resume your service, log into My Verizon from the account, drop your down menu under My Device, select Suspend or Reconnect. You will see a service suspended label at any line that is currently suspended. Select the line that you would like to reconnect and click Select Drive. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Thank you.